how to set up a watch video button in your Facebook page to drive traffic to your YouTube channel. So let's get started. First, go to your Facebook page and click the three-dotted horizontal More option. Next, from the menu list, select the Action Button tab. This will open a pop-up window. To continue, click the Try It button. Now you will see a pop-up. In this pop-up, from the list of action buttons, select the Watch Now option and move forward. Click Continue. Now again, you will see another pop-up. In this step, you need to enter your YouTube channel link. Now go to your YouTube channel page and copy your YouTube channel URL just like I'm copying mine. Now come back to Facebook and paste the link in this field. And finally, click the Save button to finish the Action Button setup process. Now your YouTube channel link is successfully added to your Facebook page. And now you can confirm the Watch Now button is showing on your page. Done. Now, when Facebook users click on this Watch Now button, they will be directly taken to YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. With this, we have reached the end of the video. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more updates.